Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use UPBASE for managing your interior design projects. First up, you'll want to create a new project. You do this by clicking on the New Project button on your UPBASE dashboard. This is your first step to organizing your interior design projects in one place, keeping all the details, tasks, and documents together. Now that we've done that, we're going to name the project and assign it to a team. The reason we do this is to ensure that everyone who needs access to the project can easily find it on their own UPBASE accounts. It's also a great way to delegate tasks to your team members. Next up, we'll add tasks. You can do this by clicking on the Add Task button. Each task should be a specific action that needs to be completed for the project. This helps us because it allows us to break down the project into manageable pieces, making the workflow smoother and more efficient. Once you've added all your tasks, you'll want to set due dates for each one. Just click on the task, then click on Set Due Date. This is a critical step because it helps keep the project on track and ensures that all tasks are completed on time. Now, let's talk about tracking progress. UPBASE has a feature called Progress Bar that shows you how much of the project has been completed. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. As you and your team complete tasks and mark them as done, the progress bar fills up. It's a visually satisfying way to see how far you've come and how far you still need to go. Finally, don't forget to use the Files section. This is where you can upload, store, and share all the documents related to the project, like design blueprints, material lists, and client contracts. Let me explain why this matters. Having all your project files in one place makes it easy for everyone on the team to find the information they need when they need it. It also ensures that critical documents don't get lost or overlooked. And that's it. You've just learned how to use UPBASE for managing your interior design projects. By following these steps, you'll keep your projects organized, your team informed, and your workflow efficient. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.